Hello, I am Juana and today I will be featuring the job of a delivery helper. This is Kuya Jovan Torres. He's 35 years old and living in Valenzuela City. He is a delivery helper in a company that distributes goods to stores like Mercury Drug, 7-Eleven, Alfamart, and other retail branches. According to him, the main responsibility of a delivery helper is to assist the driver in delivering goods to different stores. Siya yung nag-aayos ng mga items sa truck, nagbubuhat ng boxes at tumutulong mag-check kung tama ba ang quantity. Kasama rin niya ang pag-confirm kung complete ang delivery bago sila umalis sa store. Minsan, maraming na-delivery sa isang araw, kaya mabilis ang kilos talaga para makahawal sa schedule. One of the biggest challenges he shared is the physical work. Mabigat daw ang mga boxes. Minsan, mabilis ang pacing dahil marami silang pupuntahan. Kapag masama ang panahon, mas mahirap magbuhat at sumakay baba ng truck. Another challenge is ang oras. Minsan, maaga silang umaalis tapos late na makakauwi. Depende sa dami ng deliveries nila. He said he enjoys the teamwork. Kasama niya lagi ang driver at nagiging close sila dahil araw-araw silang magkasama. Nagugustuhan din niya yung feeling na productive, na may natatapos silang concrete tasks like finishing routes and delivering essential items sa mga stores. Kapag wala naman daw silang biyahe or maaga natatapos sa trabaho ay dito na siya papasok sa second job niya, which is pagiging movie rider. Para daw hindi sayang sa oras ay tumatanggap siya ng mga bookings, which mostly passenger rides kung saan hinahatid niya yung mga pasahero niya through his motorcycle para daw ma-extra income siya. To sum it up, being a delivery helper is a physically demanding but a meaningful job. They make sure that stores always have the goods and supplies we need every day. Even if challenging, they continue working with dedication and sometimes even take on extra roles to being a rider just to support their families. So, I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching.